back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make these really nice grilled chicken and pineapple burgers. Really simple to do, takes a little bit of time, a little bit of effort, but it is worth it, believe me. Alright, so here I've got a chicken breast, and I'm just going to basically get my filleting knife and cut some nice little slivers. I'm cutting it lengthways, just like that. We want some nice little slivers of chicken breast, just like that. So it's going to take you a couple of minutes to do. Don't cut them too thick, don't cut them too thin. Like, give them about sort of like 5 to 8 millimeters in thickness. A little bit of Himalayan pink rock salt that can go over the top. We're going to season these up just nicely. A little bit of black pepper as well, just like that. And if you haven't tried doing a grilled type burger like this before, wow, these are great. A little bit of black pepper as well. I'm just using pre-ground, straight out of the supermarket type pepper for that. Alright, so Mrs. KP has got some really nice potato rolls here. She's going to give those a bit of a butter up. I'm just going to use bit of butter on there. If you don't want to use butter, you can use margarine if you have to, but butter is always better. Alright, my doctor doesn't say so, but anyway, it always just tastes better. So just give those a bit of a dope up like that. Really simple. Okay, not going to take very long at all. Now into a small little fry pan, I'm going to start making up what I need for the end of this dish, and that is I'm going to fry up a couple of eggs. Right, a fried egg on a burger is always great because that yolk is nature's mayonnaise. Now I basically cover my eggs so the whites do cook properly, but I still want that yolk to be nice and runny. Okay, so once you've cooked your egg, we can set that aside. The eggs don't have to be hot for this particular burger. Right, but I'm only using one hot plate, mind you. If you've got multiple hot plates, you can multitask. But I'm showing you how you can do this on just one hot plate. Alright, so cook one egg per burger if you possibly can. Alright, it's not going to take you extra amount of time, really. Okay, not going to break the time schedule, for a better word. Right, and yes, I did have a double yolker and I broke one of the yolks. Yes, a bad cook, I know. Right, griddle pan, just put our buns down and get a little bit of toastage happening on those. They're not going to take that long at all. Right, we're going to be using sort of a medium type heat for this particular cook. Right, so we're just going to put those buns down, get a nice bit of toastage, melt that butter down a little bit. Okay, it's not going to take that long, just a nice bit of brownage, just like that. Alright, and if you haven't tried making a burger like this before, why not? These do taste amazing. And if you haven't had a potato roll before, they do cost you a couple of extra bucks, but they're definitely worth it. They're a really nice bun. Alright, I've got some rashers of bacon. I'm going to put those down as well. Get a bit of cookage happening on those, render out some of that beautiful bacon fat, because that bacon fat is going to add flavour to these amazing little burgers. Right, so just put them down straight across your griddle pan, or you can even use a fry pan if you want. If you want, you could also cook this on your barbecue. Right, but my barbecue is actually full of charcoal and smoking wood at the moment, just to keep it nice and dry. Alright, I digress. Let's start making up our burgers. Here I've got my homemade Chick Fil A sauce. You can look on the channel. I've got a recipe on how to make a Chick Fil A sauce, and it just works perfect with this burger. Right, so put a little bit of that down, just like that. Right, nice and simple. You could use basic mayonnaise if you want to, but we're using Chick Fil A sauce today. Alright, cook the bacon the way you want to. If you want it all cremated and crunchy, go for it. I like mine just grilled nicely and a little bit blonde. I'm going to lay some of our bacon down on the heel of our burger. That is the bottom of our burger bun. Okay, just like that. Nice little layer. Okay, and nothing's better than bacon on a burger, I tell you. Okay, so I've got a couple of onions here. I've given those a rough slice. I'm just going to give these a really quick little grill, just for a few minutes, to get a bit of a char on there and just soften them just a little bit. They're not going to take very long at all. Okay, so just put that down, and they're going to be cooking in that bacon fat as well, so they're going to taste even better again. So just get a little bit of caramelization happening on those. Really nice and simple. And let's start getting our burger together. I'm going to put down a little bit of lettuce on top of our bacon. Okay, as you can see there on the left hand side. Alright, and my onions are getting almost to the point where I'm ready to put those onto the burger. Alright, so they've just got a nice bit of brownish, gone a little bit soft. I'm going to put some onions on my burger. Mrs. KP's not a fan of the onions on a burger, but I love it. Now, sliced pineapple straight out of the can, and yes, in syrup. We want all that stupid sickly sweetness to this one. I'm not really a sweet person, but having the extra sugars on these is going to give you a real nice char, a real nice grill on these little bits of pineapple. Okay, and pineapple on a burger is totally acceptable. As you can also see on the left hand side, I've added a slice of tomato on top of our lettuce. Okay, just to make this extra healthy. Now we've got our chicken. We're going to put that straight down on top of our little griddle pan, or if you want, your barbecue. And these are going to take no time at all to cook because we've cut them so nice and thin. So we're just going to put those down, season side down, and make sure they're not sticking to your griddle pan. Rearrange them, give them a little bit of space in between. And if you haven't tried baking your own chicken fillet burger before, why not? It's so good, it's so simple, it's really healthy too. Alright, so give these a bit of a flip. We've got those beautiful char marks, as you can see, and you'll know when the chicken's starting to cook through. It'll go opaque halfway up, and it's sort of like 70% cooked. Then we just got to flip it over and make sure we get an internal temperature of at least 74 degrees Celsius. Alright, so as you can see, nothing's sticking. I think we're getting ready to complete our burger. Right, I'm going to put our bottom bun down with our lettuce, bacon and tomato, which is a BLT, and I'm going to put those down on a plate just like that. All we have to do now is put down our grilled pineapple, and the grilled pineapple really makes this burger, I tell you. Alright, put those down just like that. Really nice and simple. And now we can start layering up some of our little chicken breast slices. Right, put those straight down just like that. Now I didn't say this was a small burger by any means. It is a full meal. Okay, so we're going to top that off with an egg just like that, and hopefully everything stays balanced. Okay, put that down, and as I said, when that egg yolk explodes, it's going to be amazing. A little bit more of our homemade Chick Fil A sauce on the top, just like that, and before you know it, you have made your own KP's grilled chicken and pineapple burger. I know this is a bit of a longer video than my normal ones, but definitely worth it. So there you go. I'd like to see you try and make this one at home. It is fun, it is tasty. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get known as KP's Kingdom out there. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Please leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. In the meantime, if you want to learn how another variation of one of my burgers is made, well, you need to come and join the family. My family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'll eat my grilled chicken and pineapple burger, and I will catch you next time. Bye.